The global beauty industry is constantly flooded with products promising revolutionary results. Yet few have sparked as much digital curiosity and intense debate in recent months as the Smooche Color-Changing Foundation. Marketed heavily across various social media platforms, this product presents itself as a scientific breakthrough and a universal solution to the age-old struggle of finding the perfect cosmetic shade. The core premise of the marketing is undeniably captivating. A liquid formula that appears stark white upon dispensing, but allegedly adapts seamlessly to any individual skin tone almost instantly upon application. To understand whether this formulation is a genuine technological advancement or merely a clever optical illusion, one must analyze the actual chemistry behind the transition. The system relies on microencapsulation technology. Inside the white emulsion base are microscopic spheres containing concentrated iron oxide pigments. As the substance is massaged into the surface of the skin, the physical friction breaks these fragile capsules, releasing the warm pigments and blending them with the white titanium dioxide base. While the visual transition is fascinating to observe on camera, empirical testing and detailed consumer analysis reveal significant limitations. The formula does not possess intelligent, adaptive properties that actively read melanin levels. Instead, the final shade is strictly predetermined by the specific pigment blend hidden inside the capsules. Consequently, independent reviews indicate that the final outcome typically leans toward a light to medium beige. This often leaves deeper skin tones with a chalky, gray, or noticeably orange cast. Furthermore, the marketing emphasizes flawless coverage and profound skincare benefits. Yet, ingredient analysis reveals a standard formulation typical of budget-friendly cosmetics, relying heavily on silicones to create a temporary smoothing effect. The product appears to function adequately as a light, hydrating skin tint for those within a narrow, fair to medium spectrum. However, the promise of a truly universal, self-adjusting match remains unfulfilled.